Okay, everybody, we have our jelly roll markers. We have some scissors here, and we've been making these, getting ready for our holiday that's called the Big Egg Gathering. And we even made this really cool thing, Greta and Flora. And who else helped? Was it just the two of you? I think just the two of you helped. Oh no, it was Lucy. No, Greta did this, right? Anyway, that's the Big Egg Gathering.
Greta did the balls.
Yeah. And so, oh, that's right. Lucy wasn't here, I remember, because we were thinking about you, Lucy, and that's why we were working with washi tape and the pink page. So this was the page, and then what we did is that we got
Why did you cut this?
I'll show you. I was just about to say why. Why? So we like to use the Cheerio box. Yeah, we have a lot of, where's our Cheerio box? Oh, it's right here. I get these Cheerio boxes. The cardboard's a little bit thicker when I get the Cheerios from Costco. And so what I did is I made some templates or patterns. And this is the little tiny egg pattern. And why is it so small? Yeah, we have all different sizes that we were going to cut out. But why it was so small is because we wanted to cut out little eggs. And you see this little thing that was going to be cut all over the page for a ton of tiny little eggs. And hold on one second. Do you want to see where does that fit? You want to show me, like, where does it fit?
Yeah. It fits right here.
There? It fits there? Where else? Pretty much all of them. There's two, actually. And here's the other one. I don't know if you can see that. And so...
It fits right
okay, now
here.
according to our spring story...
It fits right here.
Okay, great. So then we're going to put those to the side. But that's the answer to your question. Why was there a hole in that sheet? Because she was saying, why was there a few holes in that sheet? And we should be cutting a lot more, but the holes that I cut, can you find the pink egg? Where's the pink egg? Can you touch it? Yeah, one. And where's the other one? That's right, exactly. And that's why we had two cuts there. And then we have some other colors also. Let's get out our other colors. We had blue for Ariana. We didn't forget about Ariana. And there, how many did we cut out? How many eggs did we cut out of blue?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Aha, 4 eggs for Ariana. And then we put those on our Big Egg Gathering. And do you see the blue eggs on here? 1, 2. Remember up at the top also, all the way across here. Or down here. 3, and maybe this one? 4. I guess they were all on the bottom, huh? All right. And so then, the next color that we did, what other color did we do?
Purple.
We did, let's see about the purple sheet. And who was that going to be for? Greta's favorite? Everybody has their favorite color. Tell me who are the favorite, whose favorite color is whose? Blue Ariana.
Blue Ariana. Pink.
Pink Lucy. Purple Greta. Yellow Flora. Green
Marco.
Yeah, and Gus, what is Gus's favorite color? Red, orange. So we haven't started that one yet, did we?
We didn't.
We didn't, or did we? Let's see. I have this piece of paper here, but I guess we didn't start it yet. So we're going to be cutting some for Gus. And then how about Mila?
Washi tape, yes.
And washi tape. But what is Mila's favorite color? I don't think she told us. Mila, how about send us a message and tell us what is your favorite color? So how many did we cut out of purple?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. And do you see 5 purple eggs on here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, they're a little bit covered up because you can see that they're covered with what we call washi tape. It's a sticker tape. And then there's a lot of yellow ones up here that we were cutting out of smaller pieces. And that one, anyway, so the Big Egg Gathering. I guess you guys are wondering, what is the Big Egg Gathering, right?
Yeah.
You're wondering about it? Well, later I'm going to tell you guys that story. But the kids who have been here the last couple of days, Greta heard the story. Flora heard the story. I think it was just the two of you that heard the story. So now, let's see. We have this nice clean area where we're going to make some new eggs. New eggs or new cookies. Because we're going to make some different shapes, eggs and cookies. And we're going to cut those out. Already we've been deciding what shapes should our eggs and cookies be.
Okay, Felipe's going to have the big one.
Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but, oh, there we go. They're all different shapes, and now we're going to cut those shapes out. And then we're going to use those as patterns, just like we did with these right here, little patterns, or we call templates, or like a cookie cutter, you know? And that we're going to trace around. It takes a very steady hand. Maybe you might want to have a parent help you, and you're going to cut it out and then trace around. Usually the grown-ups will cut out because the cardboard is really hard, but the kids can help make the shapes, right? Hearts. Hey, we didn't do stars. Stars, you could do shapes of letters, shapes of numbers, and there's a triangle, there's a square. Is that a leaf? What is that one?
That one is a dragonfly.
A dragonfly. So you can do shapes of animals
I
and
didn't draw the
insects,
wings yet.
birds, all different shapes. Anything you can think of, you can do that shape, and then have a grown-up cut it out, and then that's going to be your pattern, and you're going to trace around it just like we traced around these. And you can decorate the paper. Look at that. We decorated. We did different colors of paper, and we did the washi tape, and we'll show more of that one in a minute. Okay, see you guys in a minute.